Good day, each and everyone. Second InstaBright International Research Conference and Presentation with the theme Research and Innovations, Tools in Achieving Sustainable Development Goals. Research capability of public elementary school teachers in the Congressional District 2 of Quezon City. Richard B. Berdin, researcher. Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila. At the beginning of the 21st century, the focus on educational research was centered on the issues into quality output. Research was being prioritized and being part and parcel of faculty members' professional development. Educational research is significant because education is a vital component of a country's development. This gave rise on providing the importance of research on the professional development of teachers, and their practices has been widely acknowledged in local and international community. DepEd is still facing a huge challenge in encouraging teachers to conduct research. The question as to why only a few teachers are engaged in doing research is still prevailing unanswered question. Although there might be plausible answers to this question, it is important to look into the aspect that drives certain teachers to do tasks and accomplish goals which refer to their capability. Perhaps their research capability has not yet been explored and developed. At present, the public elementary schools in Congressional District 2 of Quezon City have maintained strong teaching capability, but still a minimal improvement in the research capability of elementary school teachers. Based on the data obtained from Schools Division Office Research Section revealed, all the schools in Congressional District 2 indicated low status in research productivity. It is the objective of this study to identify the research capability of public elementary school teachers, specifically in the Congressional District 2 of Quezon City. The study aimed to assess the research capability of public elementary school teachers in the Congressional District 2 of Quezon City. Specifically, the study sought to answer the following questions. First, what is the profile of the teacher respondents in terms of age, sex, civil status, position or academic rank, highest educational attainment, length of service, professional development activities in relation to research, and IPCRF rating? Second, how do the respondents assess the research capability based on the following indicators: knowledge, skills, attitudes and interest, financial support, benefits and incentives, policies and guidelines, infrastructure, and publication? Third, is there any significant difference on the respondents' assessment of their research capability when grouped according to their profile variable? To put the study purpose into realization and objectives into attainment, the quantitative method of research was utilized. The descriptive method was clearly the most appropriate tactic for this study, while samples were selected through proportional stratified sampling. Mean was used to describe the teacher's general assessment of their research capability, and t-test for independent sample was used to test the significant difference between two groups of teachers' assessments of their research capability. Findings revealed that researchers' capability, public elementary school teachers in writing a research was influenced by number of professional development activities in relation to research and not affected by their profile variable. Likewise, the school's financial support, benefits and incentives, infrastructure and publication were factors that determined as significant predictors that can influence the research capability of the public elementary school teachers. There is no significant difference on the assessment of public elementary school teachers when grouped according to their profile variables. Based on the foregoing findings, the following conclusions are hereby derived. 1. within age bracket of 40 to years old, females married, mostly teacher one rank, mostly bachelor's degree holder, serve more than 10 years in service, have frequently attending professional development activities in relation to research such as trainings or seminar, forum, conference, symposium, and attained a very satisfactory IPCRF rating. Second, research capability, moderately knowledgeable, skillful, and receive financial support, benefits and incentives, infrastructure used, and in publication. However, been rated to be of great extent on the research capability and their attitude or interest and policies and guidelines. Three, significant difference test on the assessment of research capability of teacher respondents when grouped according to their profile variable. Research capability when grouped by age, sex, civil status, position, or academic rank, educational attainment, length of service, number of professional development activities attended as to seminars or trainings, conferences, fora, symposium, and IPCRF rating revealed there is no significant difference in the assessment of the research capability. Attached herewith are the references for the authenticity and reliability of my study. Thank you very much, InstaBright. To God be all the glory.